We got a 2.4 gigahertz pan and tilt camera with digital zoom. We'll be right back. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I have a PTZ camera for you. It is the model number S600 made by Soliom. Oh, wow. Okay, folks, let's see. Wow, it comes with a template for the screw holes. That is sweet. And you stick this on the, is it a sticker? Yes, it's a sticker. So you peel this off, stick it where you want to go, and you have the holes to drill. That's cool. Now, I'm going to mention something here. This solar panel, it is monocrystalline. Check that out. Wow, this is pretty heavy. The battery pack is in on the inside of this thing. And of course, we will take this apart to see what's in it. Thankfully, this uses Phillips screwdrivers, so we will take this apart and take a look. Wow, this camera's huge! Oh my God! Holy crap! Look at this thing. That's pretty slick looking, man. Look at that. It actually has lights on here, like flashlights. There are 6 of them. 2 infrared and 4 flashlights. Now that is different in a camera. I've never seen that before. That's pretty cool. Anyway, let's go check it out. This is pretty impressive. Look at that. Alright, so that's what the camera is seeing. This actually has flashlights on it. I'm going to turn them on now. So now this could shine light on the subject. And it's pretty freaking bright. There's 4 of these babies. So, I mean, that's crazy. That's ridiculous. I'm trying to make you so you could see it. I mean, that's pretty damn bright, if you ask me. This is interesting. This camera is blowing me away. It literally is. I'm impressed. So guys, if you like that video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. If you want to be a patron, please become a patron. It just takes $1 a month to support JoeteckTips. Be greatly appreciated. And that's pretty much it, guys. Take care, and we'll see you next time.